Hey children, welcome back to grade 4 English class. In today's class we are going to see about a worksheet from our workbook Vikramaditya and Beetle, right? So before going into the topic, let us recall our previous topic. So in last class we had poem, right? Flying Kite. So hope so you have done that rhyming words worksheet. So let us see the learning objectives of today's class. So through this worksheet Vikramaditya and Beetle, we'll be learning about King Vikramaditya and then the fair justice and the principles of judgment, and then you'll be able to improve your comprehending skill, and then about the clever Beetle. Let us move on to the lesson, children.
Vikramaditya and Beetle. King Vikramaditya was a great ruler. Every day a man brought him a fruit as a gift. One day King Vikramaditya dropped the fruit. ஒரு மனுஷன் எப்பயும் ஒரு ஃப்ரூட்டை கிங் விக்ரமாதித்யா ஒரு கிஃப்டாக கொடுத்தான். One day he dropped the fruit and a diamond fell out. So King Vikramaditya in return he asked the man, he thanked the man and asked him that what he wanted in return. He asked King Vikramaditya to bring him beetle, a ghost hanging from a tree in graveyard. You could see a beetle here and a graveyard also. Graveyard means burial ground. So brave King Vikramaditya went to the graveyard and pulled beetle down onto his back. As he started walking, beetle said it would tell him a story, then it would ask a question. He must tell the answer. King Vikramaditya must tell the answer, otherwise it would kill him. But if the king speak, it will fly back to the tree. This was the condition by the beetle. Vikramaditya agreed for this. This was the start of a series of stories Beetle told Vikramaditya. Beetle started telling a story to King Vikramaditya. But each time Beetle asked Vikramaditya a question, Vikramaditya answered for that question. Otherwise it would kill him, right? And the clever beetle flew back to the tree. It was the condition, right? Pesna திருப்பியும் நான் I will fly back to the tree அப்படின்னு the beetle told. But if he wouldn't answer, it would kill him. Vikramaditya answered and clever beetle flew back to the tree. Once again Vikramaditya got beetle down from the tree. Again and again he got the beetle down from the tree. As he was carrying him, Beetle told him another story. King Chandradeva was a just king. One day, a neighboring king threatened to attack him. நான் உன்னை இது பண்ணிடுவேன், I will kill you அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு threaten பண்ணாங்களாம் நெய்பரிங் கிங். யார்? கிங் சந்திரதேவா கிட்ட. Chandradeva did not want a war because it would lead to the death of many of his soldiers. அவங்களோட சோல்ஜர்ஸில் நிறைய பேர் இறந்துருவாங்கன்றதுனால கிங் சந்திரதேவா refused to have a war. Chandradeva asked, instead he asked the neighboring king to fight with him. டைரெக்டாக நம்ம ரெண்டு பேரும் ஃபைட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு he asked. Whoever won could take the other's kingdom. அடுத்தவங்களோட கிங்டமை தாராளமாக எடுத்துக்கலாம் யார் வின் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அப்படின்னு சந்திரதேவா சொன்னாங்களாம். The neighboring king agreed for that, accepted that. Chandradeva won. Chandradeva win பண்ணிட்டாங்க. But he did not take the other kingdom and spared the king's life. Spared the king's life அப்படின்னா கிங்கோட லைஃப்பையும் காப்பாற்றி அந்த கிங்டமையும் அவங்க கிட்டக்கே கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, இவங்க எடுத்துக்கல. After a few days, Chandradeva went to a forest where a lion attacked him. Lion வந்துட்டு அவரை அட்டாக் பண்ணிட்டு யார்? கிங் சந்திரதேவா. A thief who was hiding in the forest saved his life. ஒரு thief அந்த சந்திரதேவாவை காப்பாற்றினாங்க. The thief hoped that Chandradeva would reward him. ஏதாவது ரிவார்ட் கொடுப்பாங்க, வெகுமதி கொடுப்பாங்க அப்படின்னு the thief thought. Instead Chandradeva had him hanged அப்படின்னா தூக்கில் போட்டுட்டாங்க. Beetle asked king. This was the story the beetle was telling to King Vikramaditya. Beetle asked King Vikramaditya, Chandradeva spared the neighboring king who was his enemy, but hanged the thief who saved his life. காப்பாத்தின திருடனை தூக்கில் போட்டுட்டாரு. ஆனால் எனிமையாக இருக்கிற ஒரு கிங்கை வந்துட்டு காப்பாற்றிட்டாரு. ஏன் பண்ணாரு? வாஸ் த கிங்ஸ் ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட் ரைட் அப்படின்னு the battle asked King Vikramaditya. King Vikramaditya replied, Chandradeva was right in his judgment. அவரோட ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட்டில் அவர் கரெக்டாக இருந்திருக்காரு. A king's first duty is to think about the happiness of his people. அவரோட மக்களோட ஹாப்பினஸ்க்கு தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு யோசிக்கணும். By forgiving the neighboring king, he made sure that there would be no war. He avoided that war. By hanging the thief, he made sure there would be fewer thefts in his kingdom. அவரோட கிங்டமில் fewer theft அப்படின்னா திருட்டு இது வந்து கம்மியாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு he thought. அதனால் அந்த தீஃபை வந்துட்டு he hanged him. Betel said, you are right, but you spoke and here I go and saying that Betel flew back to his tree. கரெக்டாக சொன்னீங்க, இதுதான் கரெக்டான ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட். ஆனால் நீங்கள் பேசினதுனால நான் திருப்பியும் ஐம் ஃப்ளைங் பேக் டு ட்ரீ அப்படின்னு இட் வெண்ட். ஓகே, எஸ். ஸோ ஹியர் வி நியூ அபவுட் King Vikramaditya, and then one more story which the Betel said to the king, and then what was the right judgment, why was the judgment was right, all these things we learned, right? And then the Betel was also so clever, right? Yes. Now we'll see some new words from this lesson. Children, you should also read this lesson once or twice. Threaten means tell somebody that you will hurt them if they do not do what you want. நீ நினைக்கிறது அவங்க செய்யலைன்னா அவங்கள ஹர்ட் பண்ணுறது தான் threaten. Graveyard means burial ground. Spared, saving one's life, saved from danger. Okay. Reward, to honor someone for doing something good. Reward. Okay. Judgment, ability to decide between a right thing and wrong thing. That is called as judgment.
Yes, children. In today's class, we learnt about King Vikramaditya, the great ruler, and then some new words we learnt, and then fairness and justice, how the king was in the giving the justice, right? So in today's worksheet, we have comprehension. You can write this in your workbook itself. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.